Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new other video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Carx Street game stock loading problem on screen. If you have facing this problem, so watch this video and solve your problem within 2 minutes. So let's get started this video without wasting time. Firstly, go back home screen and enter into the mobile settings. After then enter into the mobile settings and check it your mobile data connection. If your mobile data connection is not properly work, so connect your Wi-Fi connection and play your games. If you have still facing this problem, so secondly option, go on your iPhone storage. If you have using iPhone, so enter into the iPhone storage and click on Carx Street game and offload your Carx Street application. If you have using Android mobile, so just enter into the app application or app management. Now see loading, don't forget subscribe my channel, so please wait. You see different apps and search it your Carx Street games. After then search it your Carx Street game, enter into the Carx Street game and tap on storage usage. After then tap on storage usage and clear data and clear cache. After then back. You see after then back and data usage detail, so just click on data usage detail and enable the background data and back and go on your home screen. After then go on your home screen and enter into the Play Store app and check it your Carx Street application is update or not update. If your Carx Street application is not updated, firstly update your Carx Street application and your problem has been 100% solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my video.